You mentioned frugality, and then you talked about, hey, not wanting to get on all that college debt. There's some frugality there for you, sleeping on couches and stuff. Why were you so frugal, and how did that play out for you?
I don't pull value. And this was a really awesome thing that I was able to learn young. I actually, in high school and in early college, bought the cool fancy cars. I had the sports cars. I had the nice things like to impress other people. And then as I started digging into things, I realized that I'm buying these things. I like to drive fast cars. I like to do that stuff. But I was buying these things to boost my ego a little bit and to show myself like as this cool, successful person to people that I don't even care about, and they don't even care about me. They mostly just care about themselves. So I realized that a lot of these things that I was doing weren't even worth my time. So I had the fancy cars. I did that type of stuff, and I realized like that is not what I need. What is it that I need? I want the option to is it more worth it for me to have a nice car and a Rolex so I can wake up every single day and drive that nice car into work and then look at my Rolex so I could see what time my lunch break is at? Or is it more worth it to me to not have that stuff and to be able to wake up and whenever I want, wake up at 10 o'clock like I did today, 9:45 like I did today, like sleeping in, having the option to do what I want, create whatever business I want now that I have the time freedom and the ability to focus on whatever areas of my life I want to. And the latter was much more attractive to me, especially since I had already lived that, let me impress other people lifestyle. So I got into that mode. And then once I learned about Rich Dad, Poor Dad and something called cash flow, and using your money to buy assets. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket every single month and not takes money out of your pocket. I realized that I need to fully focus on buying things that keep me alive, food, shelter, water, things that bring me in money, so assets that are bringing me money every single month, and then things that bring me value. And that was deciding what those things are. So once a month or twice a month, I'll go out and I'll party with my friends. I don't do that a lot. I don't really like drinking, but I do like to go out and be social. I love working out. I love going to the gym. I love doing yoga. So those are areas I love, like workout supplements. I'll spend my money there because that is something that brings a lot of value into my life. So being frugal and that discovery of frugality really was just an accelerator to bring me to financial freedom as fast as possible. Once I realized that I wanted financial freedom because I need the cash to be able to buy some assets as quick as possible, and get to financial freedom as fast as possible.